Okay, I wanted to show you these two problems. I'm not really sure why they're in this section, but they look like kind of a calculus topic. All right, so all we're going to do, we've got two functions, f and g, and in the first problem we're going to plug in -1 and 2 for x on g, and then do some subtraction and then simplify the denominator and finish calculating. So g of -1, that's going to be 1/3 to the -1 minus g of 2, which is 1/3 to the second power. That's all over -1 minus 2, which simplifies to -3. Okay, now we've got some nasty fraction work to do in the numerator. Now, 1/3 to the -1, I'm going to flip that fraction, and it's just going to be 3 over 1, but I'm going to write it as 3. And then 1/3 squared is 1 over 9, and that's still all over -3. And it's expected that you simplify this fraction. So I'm going to turn the 3 in the numerator into ninths. 3 times 9 is 27. And I get 26 over 9. And now I'm going to do my division step times -1/3. And as my final answer, it looks like I get -26 over 27. And all of these problems will turn into these weird fractions. All right, let's take a look at the last one. We're using f, so f of 2 is 2 squared minus f of -3 to the -3rd over 2 minus a -3, which turns into 5. All right, the left-hand side of the numerator is not too bad. The right-hand side gets horrible. Minus 1 over 2/3, which is 1 over 8. And again, I'm going to convert the 4 into 8s. 4 times 8 is 32. And I get 32 minus 1, which is 31 over 8. And now I'm going to do the division step. And I get 31 over 40. I noticed when I was doing the problems on the quiz, some of these fractions get just really big in the numerator and denominator. But the other thing I noticed is that the numerator and denominator numbers are fairly close to each other. All right, that's all I have for you for this lesson. See you in class.